Hello, I know you're looking for a comprehensive review of the Social Magic software product, which is one of the best in the market so far for social media management. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about this product, starting with how to use it, what to use it for, how it will help your business, and how it will help grow your audience. Very, very important. This product, if used very well, will help in managing your social media account, all of them in one place. I will advise that you stick around to the end of this video, and if you find this review or this product interesting and very useful for your business, I will advise that you click the link under this video to purchase it. This way you are sure of getting it from the official website, and the bonuses which is attached to this product will all be given to you. We have the pre-launch bonuses and the launch bonuses. Everything will be added to you once you make the purchases using this link. Aside that, personally, I'm going to give you my daily guides and support you need to make sure this product works perfectly for your business. So do yourself the favor of watching this video till the end and then taking action using the link below this video. Thank you so much. So the Social Post Magic product is a social media management software deployed and developed by Walt Bellis. Walt Bellis is an experienced software developer with over 12 years of experience in developing softwares that help businesses to grow, especially in the areas of social media management. So what this product does for you, from what you can see from my screen, is that it helps you link all your social media accounts, all your business social media accounts in one platform. That is simply amazing. So you can have your Facebook, your Twitter, your YouTube, your LinkedIn, your Telegram, your Vimeo, your Reddit, your Tumblr, your WordPress, all of them, name them, in one dashboard. So when you make a post on Facebook, you could share them to all these other social media platforms all at the same time. You don't have to make a post on Facebook and then go to make on Twitter and then have to go make another one on YouTube and LinkedIn and all that. So for YouTube, your post has to be a video kind of post, so you could share them across all the social medias. But for text and images and any other thing you want to share across to your audience, once you connect all your social media platforms, you can do this at once. And the good part of this also is that you can monitor how this post is doing. You can see how many engagement they are getting on Facebook, how many are they getting on YouTube, how many people are opening it on Telegram, how many people are all from one dashboard. That is simply amazing. This product has really come in to help in making social media management as easy as ABC. You could import your pictures. If you don't have pictures to use for your post, you could get pictures. There are integrations here for you to get pictures here from Pixabay, Pixels, and other interesting pictures and images sourcing platforms. You could also import your own pictures from Dropbox, Google Drive, and name it. There are so many unique features in this product which I will really recommend you pick it up and then integrate it with your business, your social media businesses, your online businesses, and then I can promise you're going to see so much of successes. I am going to leave a video immediately after this, a video that is going to show you exactly how you're going to use this product step by step, why you should, how to integrate this product, how this product will help your business grow, and everything you need to know concerning this product. So do yourself the favor of taking action with the link below this video, as I rightly said, so that you will be able to enjoy all the bonuses and my 247 supports. I'm going to link my website below and my Gmail, so you can feel free to contact me at any point in time, so we'll get to talk and I get to help you out with the product. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I believe you're going to stay till the end. where you get to understand how you're going to use the software.
So welcome to the Social Post Magic software. I'm very excited to bring this to you. Now, as I mentioned, there are tutorials within the program itself. So this is just going to be the overview. And remember, this exists for one reason: to be able to combine all of your social media into one dashboard, to be able to craft and create posts easily, and to be able to manage that whole process and schedule posts and make it really easy. In essence, to make social media finally be able to work for you and not have you work for it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do when you connect to Social Post Magic is you're going to want to jump in and connect all your social media accounts. Now, super easy to do. You can see here within Facebook, I've got different groups, I've got different pages, I've got my own timeline, etc. And of course, I can just simply add a new account. And right here is where I will choose which pages, which groups, etc. that I want to be able to connect right into our Social Post Magic. So you connect your accounts, and you'll do that for all of the different social media. So we've got Twitter, we've got YouTube, we've got LinkedIn, we've got Tumblr, we've got Reddit, we've got Vimeo, all the others. We've got a few coming as well, your own WordPress blogs, so you can connect your own blogs as well. And this is then once you've got your accounts connected, the next thing you may want to be able to do is group them together. So maybe, for example, you've got one group of accounts that you want to talk about online marketing and another group of accounts that you have that is just your fishing group, and you want to be able to connect that. So this is my fishing group, and then you can go through and just select which ones are going to be part of the fishing group. So that gives you the opportunity to then have different groups. You can post different information. Now we get to be able to post to our social media accounts. Now, of course, you can compose your own posts, and you have this ability to link your Google Drive, your Dropbox, your own file system, and you can upload directly from these areas. So we've got, for example, a library of images that you can bring into your posts. We say, which groups do we want to connect to? So we can say, listen, I just only want to connect to these ones. So now we're posting to these groups. We've got this image. We can bring in captions. Now, you can type your own. This is my new social post. Or we've got the ability to bring in a library, again, of quotes and captions so that you can have effortless posting to all of your social media. So we've got images, we've got information there. Of course, we can add videos if we want to do that as well. And now we can schedule, so we can post immediately. Or we can schedule this post to be a recurring post every 60 days or every 30 days and ending on a particular date. So we can actually repost this same image or this same quote onto our social media days and days and months in advance. So this allows us to effortlessly create content, have that content post to multiple accounts, and have it on a schedule. And of course, you can schedule in the future. You can schedule to be recurring. Absolutely awesome, straight from within the Social Post Magic dashboard. Now, you can also do things like bulk scheduling. So we can add from a calendar view. We can simply come up here and post directly from that calendar view. We can then see reports based on which social media site, based on what sort of visibility we want to have, and we can do it all from within the Social Post Media platform. Now, that's the quick overview. There are tutorials within the system, but this is the basics. We want to be able to create, we want to be able to post, we want to be able to schedule across every social media platform, and we want to be able to do it from one dashboard, and that is why we've created Social Post Magic.